Hello everyone, myself Maruti. Welcome you all to this math video session. Right, in this video I have taken a topic from linear pair of equation under two variables. Two variables means two unknowns. You have to remember. So in this video I have taken real life application from age of two people. Right, so obviously when we relate the age between two, so generally it will be great if you relate the age between ages of a family members, right? Obviously there will be a matching between the ages of two family members. So here we have taken the age relation between a mother and a daughter, right? How it is varying, right? So previously means in the past, what is the relation between their ages? In the future, right? Future, what is the relation? So whatever it might be, we deal with the present age, right? So let's deal with the question here, right? So Mary told her daughter. Here we are talking about a mother Mary and the daughter, right? So family members. So Mary told her daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were. So mom Mary, mother Mary is comparing her age with her daughter. She is telling 7 years back, means 7 years from now, right? Not from now, ago, 7 years ago, mom is telling to the daughter, I was 7 times as you are. 7 times as you are. Suppose if the age of the daughter is 3 years, 7 years back, 3 years, she is 7 times of that 3, that is 21. Hope you are able to understand. If the daughter's age is 5, she is 7 times of that is 35. 7 into 5, 35. This is not present we are talking about. So 7 years back, past, that is the first relation he has given. That is what he says. 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were. 7 years ago. Right, point 1. So, you please stress on the word ago. That's the first word. Now, let's come to the second relation. What he says? Also, 3 years from now. What is the meaning of from now? Means this is the present age. From now onwards. Right, means this is present. From now means we are talking about future, right? After 3 years from now, that is, so 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old you will be, right? Right, in the future, suppose the age of the daughter after 3 years is something like 10. So 3 times, right? So 3 times, so right, something like 30. That's the calculation what he has given. We'll be getting back to that one. So whatever it might be, what he is asking us to find, if you check it out, find the present ages. Present ages, we have to find the age of the daughter, age of the mother at present. So let's take it as a code. Let daughter's age be. Let the daughter's age. Let the daughter's age be. Yes, I want to write why we have taken dot and let's go. Let Mother Mary age. Let it be 1. Okay, why did we choose daughter's age only as X and why did we choose mother's age as Y? Why? Because mother's age is compared with the daughter's age. You have to remember, mother's age is compared with the daughter's age. Means the one to which the comparison is done, that should be taken as X, and which is compared, that should be taken as Y. Mother's age is compared to daughter's age, therefore daughter's age I am taking it as X and mother's age I am taking it as Y. You have to remember this part. Okay, let's the daughter age be X and the mother Mary's age be Y. Yes, these are present ages. Right, we like to call it as present age. I like to call it as present ages. Right, this is nothing but the present age of daughter and present age of mother Mary. Okay, that's what. So here how many unknowns are there? We are having 2 unknowns, X and Y. So we need 2 relations. which can frame two equations, and if you solve those two equations, obviously we'll be getting the unknowns, that is the age of daughter and age of mother. So how he has related, if you check it out, he has given relation in terms of past and future. Right, so let's go with that one. So let's discuss regarding the past ages, past, P-A-S-T, past ages. Right, let's deal with this one. So what he has given, what he is talking about, 7 years ago, you have to remember the word ago means always minus. Right, always minus. Whatever the age what we are having now, 7 years ago means x minus 7. Right, if your age is y now, 7 years ago, your age is 7 less than at the present age. You have to remember that one. So past ages, that is 7 years ago. Right, he is talking about 7 years ago we are talking about. Past means 7 years ago. What is daughter's age 7 years ago? Right, daughter's age. Right, 7 years ago, what is the daughter's age? 7 years ago, if the age of present is x, 7 years ago, daughter's age is x minus 7 years. You have to remember this. Right, why? Because this is 7 years ago, and ago is always minus. Whatever the present age is, we go back 7 years. So daughter's age 7 years ago is x minus 7 years, and mother's age 7 years ago is nothing but 7 minus y minus 7 years, right? This is what we are talking about. Okay, now 7 years ago, what is the relation he has given between them? This is present ages, which is what we are supposed to find, and he has given first relation in the past. Right, that is 7 years ago. So 7 years ago, daughter's age is x minus 7, and mother's age 7 years ago is y minus 7 years. So what's the relation he has given? What is the relation he has given? Relation for past ages. Right, what is the relation for the past age? What did she say? And you have to remember, I means Mary, and you means the daughter here. I means Mary, you means daughter. Right, if you take I means mother is, right, mother's age is, instead of saying simply is, mother's age is, what he said, 7 times as old you means Mary. Mother's age is 7 times as old as Mary. This is what is given to us. I means mother, you means daughter. Why? Because mother is talking to the daughter. It's direct speech, and we are talking about indirect speech now. So mother's age is 7 times as old as Mary's age or daughter's age. Okay, so if you frame this one in terms of the relation, mother's age is mother's age. Is means equals, right? 7 times, you know, 7 times. 7 times, times means product. 7 times daughter's age or made daughter Mary. Oh, daughter's age. We'll take it as daughter's age only. Okay, so now what is mother's age? Mother's age is y minus 7 equals 7 times. What is daughter's age? X minus 7. And this is the first relation what we got. Right, cool. Hope you are able to understand. Present age of daughter is X and mother's age is Y. 7 years back, daughter's age is X minus 7 and mother's age is Y minus 7. What is the relation? What it is given here? 7. Mother's age is 7 times as old as daughter's age. Mary, daughter. Let's. Okay, Mary told her daughter. I think this is daughter. Daughter's age. Okay, right. So mother's age is equal to 7 times as old as daughter's age. So mother's age is 7, y minus 7 is equal to 7 into so and so. If you frame out in terms of equation, So y minus 7 is equal to 7x minus 49, and if you convert this, 7x minus y minus 49 plus 7 equals 0, which implies 7x minus y minus 42 equals 0. This is the relation or equation 1 what I got with the help of the past relation. Right? So how many unknowns we are supposed to find? 2. Right. How many relations we need? 2 relations. With the help of the relation 1, past relation, past ages, I have framed the first equation. Now we are having one more, that is future relation. How do you get to know it's nothing but future relation? If you check it out, right, he says, I shall be, right, what's it? 3 years from now. From now means future. How many years from now? It's 3 years from now. So what is the relation? Right, this is present age, past age. Let's go for the future ages. Future ages. We are talking about this. So how many years he is talking about? 3 years from now. 3 years from now. This is the relation. So you have to remember, whenever we are talking ago means minus, from now is nothing but plus. That's what you have to remember. Now, if you straight away go for daughter's age, right? 3 years from now. If the present age is x, daughter age from now is nothing but x plus 3 years. Daughter's age from now. We always talk from the present age. Right. Now, mother's age. Mother's age from now. Present is y. 3 years from now, y plus 3 years. Hope you are able to understand. Present age. Past means minus. 7 years minus means, you got it. Future, 3 years means if the present is x, x plus 3 and y plus 3. Now, what is the relation he has given in the future, right? What is the relation? So, relation for future age. What is the relation he has given? Right, check it out. Again, direct speech, indirect. I means Mary, you means daughter, right? Mary shall be, if you frame that one, Mary's age or mother's age. Mother's age is 3 times of daughter's age. You have to remember this one. So this is the sentence what we have got. Let's frame in terms of symbols. What he says, Mary's age means mother's age. Mother's age equals 3 times. Time means product. 3 times of daughter's age. Daughter's age. Daughter age. Now let's go in terms of symbol. This sentence symbol now simplified. So what is mother's age in the future? Mother's age. Mother's age is y plus 3 equals 3 times. What is daughter's age? X plus 3. Okay, now let's frame this one. Let's frame the equation. Let's simplify. Y plus 3 equals 3x plus 9. Now, if you simplify that, so y plus 3 equals 3x plus 9. Now, frame it out properly. 3x minus y plus 9 minus 3 equals 0. Now, 3x minus y plus 6 is equal to 0. We got equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, now if you check it out properly, so present age, you are talking about x and y. Okay, this is present. Okay, we are talking about past ages. Past, how many years we are talking about? 7 years. It is x minus 7, y minus 7.1. And if you think about future, right, we are talking about 3 years, right? So this is minus and this is plus. Okay, now this is x plus 3 and this is y plus 3. Okay, so he has given the relation 1 basing upon the past stages, and he has given relation 2 basing upon the future, right? So let's the relation 2. What's the relation 1? The relation 1, we have framed this. So y minus 7 is equal to 7 into x minus 7. This is relation 1. Right. Now let's go for the relation 2, that is y plus 3 equals 3 times of x plus 3. This is relation 1 and this is relation 2. So basing upon those two relations, we are framing this one. So we are having two equations now, equation 1 and equation 2. Let's solve for x and y. Solving is not important. Verifying the relation and concluding, that matters here. So if you see here, equation 1 and equation 2, as we all know, we are using elimination method. The quotients of any one of the variables should be same. So the quotients are 1 and 1, but we need opposite signs. Therefore, I have changed the signs of all the second equation. Now, if you check it out, I can cancel this. Now, if it is nothing but 4x minus 48 equals 0, 4x is equal to 48 and x is equal to 48 by 4. If we cancel it out, x equals 12. Getting the value of x is not important, but verifying matters a lot. Now, if you substitute the same value here, it's nothing but 84 minus y minus 42 equals 0, which implies, okay, 42 minus y equals 0, which implies 42 equals y. Therefore, y equals 42. Yes, daughter's age is 12, mother's age is 42, but I'm not sure. Let's go with the verification and verify. So what he says, percentage of daughter, we are calling it as x. X is nothing but we are taking it as 12. Okay, percentage of mother, right? Mother's present age, we call it as y, and we are taking it as 42. Fine. Percentages we got it, but we have to verify the relation. So what he says, past. How many years passed? 7 years passed, right? What we have to do? Past means we take away that. So how much we have to take away? 7. So 12 minus 7 and 42 minus 7. That's what, right? So if you take 7 from this one, we're getting 5, and if you take this, we are getting 35. Past. But what is the relation what he has given? Relation matters. What's the relation? Right? What he says, 7 times of daughter's age, 7 times of daughter's age equals mother's age. This is what he is saying. 7 times of daughter's age equals mother's age. This is what he has given. So now let's multiply. 7 times of daughter's age, 5. Is it equal to mother's age? Yes, 35 equals 35. Yes, it's verified. I repeat, present age we got it x as 12 and mom's age we got it as 42. So let's check in the past age. Past means 7. What we have to do? Subtract. 12 take away 7, 5. 42 take away 7, 35. What's the relation? If you multiply daughter's age with the 7, are we getting mother's age? Yes. If you multiply with the 7, 7, 5, 35. Past relation, it's verified. But let's go for future relation also, right? That's good. So future, how many years future is talking about? 3. So what we should do? Add it up. Add it up to what? Present age. If you add 3 to this one, 12 plus 3 and 42 plus 3. Right. Here it's nothing but 15 and here it is 45. Okay. What is the relation he has given? Relation 2. What is the relation he has given? 3 times of daughter's age equals mother's age. 3 times of daughter's age, right, equals mother's age. This is what the relation he has given. What is daughter's age? 15. Therefore, 3 times of 15, obviously, it's nothing but 45. 45 equals 45. So, future relation is also verified. Now we are confident enough to say, yes, what we got is correct one. So, I'm writing the conclusion part now. So, what's that? Daughter's present age. Daughter's present age. Present age, we conclude that x is equal to how much? 12 years and Mary Mother's age. Age Y equals, what's that? 42 years. This is the clear conclusion for a beautiful sum dealing with. In this channel, I have been placing both math and science videos.